Hey beautifuls, welcome to another Living Najaam Lee. And I'm in the kitchen and I just finished juicing, and I'm going to show you what I juiced. Some nice carrot juice. I can't wait for it to chill. Pure carrot, and I put in there a sprinkle of cinnamon and less than a teaspoon of brown sugar, and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Put it in the fridge and let it cool. Now I'm making some rice and some beans with it. I picked up this, but I usually I'm doing like half and half. So it's black beans and rice, and so I did a little bit of it, like 2 scoops out of it, and then I added regular rice to it so that it's not so much of the beans all together. It can't take all that. So it's on the pot cooking right now. Let's turn it down a bit. Alright, so now I'm about to wash the dishes. You see I made a whole bunch of mess. And so I'm going to wash, and then after that I'm going to go back and sit down and finish working on Facebook, and I'm putting together some templates and some ads and all kind of good stuff. I hope you guys join me on Today with Najaam Lee on Facebook Live Wednesdays in the afternoon. I'm going to be doing another one this Wednesday, so be there. You should be signed up to my Facebook anyways at Najaam Lee, so do that so you don't miss another one. Alright, so it's all good too, because I talk about sickle cell, I talk about beauty, I talk about health and wellness, I talk about lifestyle, fashion, you name it. I answer all those questions. So yeah, join me there. All right, I love you guys. So I will see you when I'm about to like eat. Gotta wash these dishes. No messy dishes, can't take it. So I finally finished, and I'm eating out of a small bowl. The rice looks so good. Nothing else added. So I'm about to chow down and finish. I'll get back on the computer and finish what I was doing while I eat. So let's try it, because I'm hungry.
Could you exert yourself this evening to visit us here off your journey?
There's a short walk and I am fond of it.
I think we are part of this exercise regime. Miles walk and a daily scolding.
Oh, this is so good and so hot. Oh yeah, this is really, really good.
Reynolds is only half a mile away. It's
Okay
easy.
guys,
And by carriage, you might visit the western
I'm going to
side
chow
of the
down,
shows.
and then I'll guys link you later. Link you guys later. You go eat. Dinner time. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I am in the car, as you guys can see, and I'm sorry, I don't know what that noise is, but we need to take care of this noise because it's bothering me. Anyways, I hope you guys having a great day, and yeah, this thing is really bothering me with this noise. No idea what's going on. This is crazy. Anyways, I'm about to like go. I'm having I have some errands to do. I have a meeting real quick, and what else? And that's about it. So, and then coming back, and then I have some writing to do as well. So I hope you guys checked out lashaboutthatwordpress.com. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, I'm in the car, so I'm trying to figure out what's making this bloody noise. It's like, I'm wondering if the door is not locked. No, it is. I have no idea, but I'm going to figure it out. Alright? Alright guys, I will talk to you later. About to hit the freeway. Woo-hoo. Hey guys, so I just had lunch with my mama. And so we're heading back to the car. We went to the Fat Cat in Quincy. Right there. And so heading back to the car. Had a good lunch. I had a cup of tea. My mom had a cup of tea. And had some good chat and stuff. So yeah, I'm in Quincy. It's not such a bad day, but it's still like cold to me a little bit, and cloudy, as you can see. But anyways, on to the next mission. Crossing the street, getting my mom across. Alright, so I will talk to you in a minute. Bye guys.